Welcome the students on online class for subject physics for the standard 11 science, 12 science and above the 12th science class. Today we have to learn the logarithmic and mathematical tables. In this logarithmic and mathematical tables, we have learned powers and factorials. So, powers and factorials, this is a very quick process which is useful for solving the numerical. Here, x is there. In horizontal row, we see that x, later on x square, x cube, 10 upon x, square root x, 1 upon square root x, cube root x, cube root of 10x and cube root of 100x. In vertical column, x is a number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 49. And here 50, 51, 52, 53 up to 99. So this facility is given only a number. But if number is 1.2, 2.4, 2.53, then this powers and factorials is not used. But if number is 1 or 4 or 54 or 67, then the powers and factorials is useful. So today we have seen how it will be useful for solving. If x is 32, x is equal to 32. What happen if we take x square? So here easily we can see 32 here, vertical column, and x square, that is 10, 24. So x square means 32 square, that is 10, 24 directly. If we can find out x cube, that is 32 cube. So what happen? 32 cube, that is 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Directly we can find out cube of 32. If we can find out 10 upon x, means 10 upon 32. What happen? This 10 having power 1. This numerator value is shifted towards denominator, that is 1 upon 32 into 10 raised to minus 1. When the decimal is shifted between 3 and 2, that is 1 upon 3.2 into 10 to the power 1, because decimal is shifted towards negative direction by 1 digit. So 10 raised to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 1. What happen? Minus 1 plus 1, it gets addition 10 raised to 0, and 10 raised to 0 having value 1. So here 1 upon 3.2. When we see the reciprocal of 4 figures, see here reciprocal 3.2. This 3.2 having value 0.3125. 0.3125. But here in power and factorial, a facility is there between 32. When we see in 10 upon x, it is directly 3.3125. It can be directly written as. This facility save the time for calculation. Another, when we see the square root of 32. So here directly square root of 32, it will be 5.657. We can check it in the square root from 10 to 100. Its square root of 32 will be 5.653. Again, that is reciprocal of square root of x, means 1 upon square root of 32. So we can see that 1 upon 5.657, and if we can see the reciprocal of 4 figure number, then we can find out this reciprocal will be 0.1768. So here we can check it by in reciprocal. So reciprocal 5.6 is there. So 5.6 in 5. In 5 it will be 0.1770, and 7, 2 is mean difference. Mean difference 2 will be subtracted from 70, it will be 68. So your answer will be 0.1768. Means both way, in using powers and factorials as well as using reciprocals and square root, we can find out, we can solve the numerical. Here, if a number x, that is cube root of x, is find out. So here cube root of 32, directly its value will be 32. So that is 3.175. But we can check it how it will be 3.175. So here cube root of 32, it will be written as log of, or it will be written as 32 its power 1 upon 3. Using the formula log of m raised to n, that is n log m. So we can see that log of 32 its power 1 upon 3. So it is written as 1 upon 3 log of 32. So here 1 upon 3 multiplied by, if we can find out log 32, its characteristics will be 1, because 2 digits are there before decimal point, after 2 decimal point is there. So 2 digits are there, 1 is subtracted, so its characteristics will be 1. When we can find out the log of 32, see here, its log will be 5051. Log will be 5051. Take its antilog by dividing 3. 3 1 the 3, 0.35 the 15, 0. 3 1 the 3, 2 is remaining, and 3 7 the 21. So here antilog 0.5017. So if we can see the antilog of 0.50 in 1, that is 3170, and 7 it will be 5, that is 3175. So here we can written as 3.175. So your answer, that will be same, we can find out by using logarithmic as well as anti-logarithmic and power and its factorial, power and factorials. So here again we can see the another facility for finding the cube root of 10x. Suppose see here power and factorial, it will be cube root of 10x, and then we can see that cube root of 100x. So here when we can find out cube root of 10x, x is equal to 32, here x equal to 32, when we can find out cube root of 10x, so here we can write out cube root of 320. Here we can find out cube root of 100x, so it is cube root of 3200. Both are multiplied by 10 and 100. So we can find out its cube root, that is 320, its power will be 1 upon 3. Here 3200, its power will be 1 upon 3. So if we take log of 320, its power 1 by 3. Here log of 3200, its power will be 1.3, 1 upon 3. So using the rule log of m raised to n, so it is equal to n of log of m. So 1 upon 3 of log of 320. Here 1 upon 3 of log of 3200. If we find out the characteristics for here, that is 3 point, and characteristics, sorry, three digits are there, so 1 is subtracting, so its characteristics will be 2 point. Here 4 digits are there, so 1 is subtracting, its characteristics will be 3 point. If we see log of 32, so log of 32, it will be 50, log of 32 it will be 5051. So 2.5051. Here 3.5051. Take its antilog by dividing 3. So if we divide the 3 to the 2.5051, so it will be 0.8, that is 24. 1 is remaining, so 10. 3, 1 is remaining, 15. 5, and here 0. So if we divide the 3, here 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, point 3 1 the 3, 2 is remaining, 20 is there, 3 6 the 18, 2 is remaining, 25 is there, 3 8 the 24, 11 is there, and 3 3 the 9, 2 is remaining. So here we can find out antilog of 1.1683. Here we can find out antilog of 0.8350. So both answers will be seen. .83 in 5. 0.83 in 5, it will be 6839. So here answer will be 6.839, and here 0.16 in 8 3. So 0.16 in 8, that is 1472, and 3, that will be 1. So here 1 point, again 0.16, 1472. So 1.473 into 10 raised to 1. So here answer will be, here 10 raised to 0. Answer will be 14.73 here, and here answer will be 6.39. If we can check the using power and factorial, so here in power and factorials, in 32 square root of 10 cube root of 10x, 32, that will be 6.840. Here our answer is 6.839, and in powers and factorial it will be 6.40. That is approximately same. And if we can see 32 in cube root of 100x, that answer will be 14.74. Here our answer will be 14.73, or directly can determine it will be 14.74. So both are approximately same. Both values are same. So these values can be find out. So using the powers and factorials. Okay. So an assignment is given to you for finding powers and factorials. So 10 examples are given. 10 upon 56, 1 upon square root of 63, 89 square, square root of 78, cube of 53, cube root of 39, cube root of 10 into 47, cube root of 100 into 28, cube root of 100 into 272. Here the facility of powers and factorial is not used, because power and factorial it will be used only for 99, but here the number will be 272. So use logarithm and anti-logarithm, we can find out. And here use logarithm and anti-logarithm. 10 multiplied by 47823. So we can find out log and anti-log. This assignment can be solved